To thank you, the cursed team and the teachers of the school and the school management too, because I observed that my children were speaking in English very good. When I am trying to speak them in English at the home, but they ignore me and they will play anything at all. But after the program quiz is in the school, they are improved my children very good to speak in English. For this, lots of thanks to Quest team and the teachers and management from this school. Thank you.